Here's an easy project you can whip together in a weekend. It's a pair of bookends made from an old handsaw. I just used an old saw that was laying around the shop that I didn't need anymore. So I made marks for my cut lines and used an angle grinder to cut the pieces. Remember, these pieces are going to be hot, so handle with caution. Next, I cut a couple of brackets to use to hold the saw pieces. I marked my line using the saw blade as a guide. Here I'm using a piece of plywood to act as a fence so that I can keep the line nice and straight as I cut through the bracket. Use the saw blade as a guide to mark where you may need to remove more material to get the blade to fit securely in the bracket. I'm using polyurethane glue to hold the saw pieces into the brackets. The glue reacts best if there's moisture present, so I took a cotton swab and wiped over the joints with a little water. Then I just ran a small bead of glue down the joint. Set the pieces aside until the glue sets, then sand the back smooth. In the meantime, you can assemble the base and the upright for the bookends. After sanding all the pieces, I simply glued the brackets onto the uprights, centering them on the width. Apply a finish of your choice and put your favorite books on display.